Hello, you're watching Adam Builds Colorado, and this is my renovation on Iris Street. It's the end of the 119th week, and it was another full week of mudding. I'm getting closer. It's down to just the final bits of corner mudding, but I've got another week or two of this left. Anyways, let's see what I did this week. On Wednesday, Matt and I spent the evening mudding screws and joints in the basement. The main focus for today was in the laundry room and the gym. On Friday, we focused on the bar off the stairs in the basement. On Sunday, I spent some time with a razor knife cleaning up the switch receptacle openings. Just like I found with the ceiling openings, shaving off burrs from the rough drywall knife cuts makes mudding around these openings 100 times easier. On Monday, I circled back to some butt joints that were waiting on factory joints to dry first. I started in bedroom 2, then move on to bedroom 1, and end the night in the dining room. I start Tuesday by mixing up a fresh batch of mud. I also spend a little time organizing and cleaning up my drywall scraps upstairs. Some of these I'll keep, but some of these aren't really useful for anything, so I'm gonna toss them out. I end the night by giving the skylight vault a good sanding and then a second coat of mud. Tomorrow, I'll sand the vault one more time and finish the second coat. After that, the vault will get one final sanding before I take down all the scaffolding. Barry's Drywall has their own risers, so I'm working as fast as I can to get them in for texturing. That's all for week 119. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy renovating.